Lecture 15, Exploring Left Join and more. After learning about inner join, it's time to widen our perspective. Not all data is perfectly matched across tables, and that's where other types of joins come in handy. Today, we will explore the left join and briefly introduce a few others like right join and full outer join. You will learn how left join works, how it's different from inner join, when to use it, and how to interpret the results. We'll also look at a few real-world examples and edge cases where left join is especially useful. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to explain how left join differs from inner join, write SQL queries using left join syntax, understand when and why to use left join, briefly identify other join types, right join and full outer join. What is a left join? A left join returns all the rows from the left table and only the matching rows from the right table. If there is no match in the right table, the result will still include the left row with null values from the right table's column. Let's say we have these two tables as orders and customers. The customer table has customer ID and name, and orders have name, order ID and date as well. Now, if you use a left join to combine them, you will just have to write a query in here as select customers dot name comma orders dot order ID, and then we have from customers. Now we're using the main keyword as left join orders, and at the end we have on keyword customers dot cid as customer ID equals orders dot cid as, and complete this syntax as we have used semicolon at the end. Now when you just run this query, now we have three customers as Sarah, Mike and Anna, but Sarah has a result as null value as it does not have placed an order in here. Like you can see Mike and Anna has placed an order like 101 and 102, but it has a list in here, but when you just run this query, it doesn't have an order ID. So that's the beauty of left join. It keeps unmatched rows from the left table. When to use left join? Use left join when you want all records from the main table even there is no match in the secondary table. You need to identify missing information. You want to build a comprehensive list that flags where data is incomplete. Example, you want to see all registered users on your website, even those who have not made a purchase yet. A left join between users and purchases will include everyone and show null for those without a purchase. Left join versus inner join. Let's compare them quickly. Inner join only shows matched rows. Left join shows all left side rows, matched or not. This makes left join more inclusive. It's often used in reporting, auditing, and quality checks. Introducing other joins. Right join. Same logic as left join, but flipped. All rows from the right table are included. Full outer join. Returns all rows from both tables. Where there is a match, it combines them. Where there is not, it fills in nulls. Not all SQL databases support full outer join, but it's very powerful when available. Here is a quick summary table. Inner join includes unmatched from none. Left join includes unmatched from left table. Right join includes unmatched from right table. Full outer join both tables. These other joins are not used as often as left join and inner join, but it's good to know they exist especially when analyzing incomplete or irregular data. Left join gives you a complete view of your main dataset even when related data is missing. This is especially useful in real-world analysis when data is often incomplete or inconsistent. It's not just about combining tables. It's about asking the right questions. Who is missing? What's not recorded?